Hi, I'm Andy Hopton and I'm from VeryPC on the JWIPC booth here at ISE 2024. And what I'm here to do today is to showcase you some of the amazing products we have on display, and the one I'm going to focus on is the VeryPC. The VeryPC is a small form factor desktop that's been designed and in partnership with Intel and JWIPC. The whole concept of the VeryPC is to look at and redesign and try and improve how desktop PCs and client computers are manufactured to improve the sustainability. So the whole concept of VeryPC is about better material use, reducing carbon in manufacture, and improving the recyclability of the product. So maybe I'll just give you a quick run through of the product. Types of things that have been used is that the PC is super modular. So there's actually only 12 components in this in the PC. So there's less materials used, and at the end of life cycle, it's a lot easier to disassemble. So some of the cool things about it is that the motherboard is 30% smaller than a typical motherboard on a desktop and uses 20% less components, and the power supply is 95% efficient. The type of power supply you get in a standard off-the-shelf desktop is around 85%. The processor in the product is a mobile processor, so it's one that's typically found in a high-performance laptop. And what this means is that the computer has high performance but uses less power. So the whole idea around the product is that it's less materials used in it. Intel and JWIPC have optimized the supply chain so that there's less embedded carbon and energy used in making the product, and that it runs more power efficient, and it's more sustainable in that it can be disassembled and recycled. So the next product that Intel are working with JWIPC and launching is the Green All-in-One, which takes the same sustainable design concepts as the VeryPC, but just to a new form factor. So if you want to find out any more information about VeryPC, you can find it at very-pc.co.uk, and we are the UK distributor of JWIPC. Thank you so much.